How to install JavaScript in Visual Studio Code. So the first thing you will need to do to be able to run JavaScript, you will need to open up your browser and then search for Node.js, and then click on the first link, or you can click on the download directly here. And then you will need to select the version that you want to download and the operating system, in this case Windows. And then you simply click on the download button. So you can download the installer or the zip file. In this case, I'm going to download the installer to run and install it, and 64-bit version as well. And then you should simply run the installer and follow along with the steps to install it on your computer. Now once it finishes installing, you will need to close the installer and then restart Visual Studio Code. And then you can create a new JS file to test. And then you can simply start writing your JavaScript code. And then you can simply press the run button to test your code. So for example, I have this code that prints hello world. You can go to run and then click on run with or without debugging. And it will run the program, and the output should bring or print hello world. You might need to open up the terminal to be able to see it. And then when you run it again, you should be able to see the output. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.